Connecting your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite to multiple projectors can be extremely useful for presentations, classrooms, or meetings where you need to display the same content on several screens. The tablet supports both wired and wireless display methods, allowing you to mirror or extend your screen through adapters, wireless casting, or compatible presentation systems. By using the correct connection method, you can easily share slides, videos, or documents across multiple projectors without complicated setup. Try the Step 1. Connect a USB-C to HDMI adapter or hub to your Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Step 2. Attach HDMI cables from the adapter or splitter to the projectors you want to use. Step 3. Turn on the projectors and select the correct HDMI input source. Step 4. On the tablet, enable screen mirroring or Smart View if using wireless projectors. Step 5. Confirm the display appears on the projectors and adjust screen orientation or resolution if needed.